Stress at work is really hard to manage. If an employee comes in with a broken arm, you can see that they have a broken arm. When someone is stressed, you can't necessarily see or understand the symptoms, and of course everybody's different. So it may be that it's physical stress, or it may be that they're not sleeping. You know, it presents itself in many forms. As an employer, it's very hard then to determine how you're going to help and support the individual. And a lot of people these days are becoming pessimistic about whether someone is actually stressed. So as an employer, what can you do? Well, you have to treat everybody the same. What you can do is write to the person's GP, ask, what the symptoms are to understand. None of us are GPs. I'm not medically trained, so I can't look at somebody and say you're stressed or not stressed. Like, I can't look at someone with a broken arm and tell you where it's broken. So you have to apply the same rules, which would be to understand the condition further. Also, in doing so, you should ask, how do you get this person back to work? Because essentially it might be there's an element of the job that causes them stress. There's an environment issue. They're working too long hours. They're sat at their desk too much. Perhaps they're even working over the hours that they should be and you're not aware of it. So there's lots of things that as an employer you can do. And one thing that I advocate is to do a health and safety risk assessment, because it facilitates a conversation between you as the employer and the employee, and it actually asks specific questions, because a lot of people say it's stress at work, and you actually delve deeper, and as you dig down you realise it's not actually stress at work, it's home life stress. It's, I don't actually really like my job anymore, or I've become a manager and I'm not sure I want to be a manager. I quite like just being on the shop floor, but I thought I should be a manager. There's loads of different reasons why someone becomes stressed, and it's not actually till they start talking to you about it it clicks for them as well as you. So that's a really important thing to do, is to sit, keep the lines of communication open, go through the health and safety stress risk assessment, and basically just talk to the person, and you get so much valuable information out of them.